we're here at Carter Mountain. Haba, daming tao. Medyo we came in late. That's why the parking is full. We park here at the grape orchard. So the apple orchard is way over the top of the mountain. So let's take a look at the view first. There you go. There you go, the mountain. There you go, nice. So zoom out tayo. That's how far it is. Look at that mountain view.
Papa, open car.
Makita ko yung bagyo. Kita mo?
Ito. Ito lang ako.
You can see the parking is full. Look at that. Napakadami. Tons of people are going apple picking this time of the year. So look at that purple vineyard is the grape vineyard. The green one is the apple, and the top of the mountain they got those Fuji apples. That's so crispy, juicy, and delicious. That's where it is. So we're gonna go over there. Let's go. This is what's happening inside. Tons of people are over here. This is the entrance. We got our ticket. The apple they harvested and now selling it.
That sounds like to me.
Tons of apples, guys. This apple, guys, so big. This is the apple butter, guys. We got here cotton candy. Here, guys, the apple cider donuts, freshly made, and they got the donut, apple donut lollipop or something. You got pumpkins over here, guys. Big sizes, medium sizes, small sizes of pumpkins. For the Halloween, we got baskets over there. They got apple cider donuts, ice creams, apple pies. Tons of people's, guys. They got barbecue. They got tons of everything in here. This is where you buy your bags or basket to go to apple picking. Of course, you need to pay. So we're gonna go into the line. So let's take a look at the view first. There's the magnificent view here on top of Carter Mountain. Look at the mountains, guys. And look at the people. It's a great day today. Cool, sunny, clear day. There you go.
This is no purses kasi for personal bags in the order.
So guys, we got the bag, $12 for the small bags and $31 for the medium bag, and how much for the 35 for that box, for the box. So now we're heading to the top of the hill. We're gonna go Fuji hunting. Fuji apple, guys. But first, of course, let's take a look at the view. So there you go. Look at the sun. Sunny day. Look at the view. Oh, nice. Enjoy the view, guys. There you go. Nice view. There you go. Guys, this is what we paid for here at Carter Mountain, the view. Nice. Oh, we got somebody here modeling. There you go. That's our apple model. Hey, is your apple tasty and sweet? There you go, guys. Look at all the people. Down to the mountain, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that eagle flying. We're not even halfway. Humihingal na tropa. Hingal na ako sa pag-akyat sa mountain. Ito, mga kabataan, malalakas pang maglakad. I'm tired. Dito raw tayo sa lilim. Gotta go to the shade of the... Guys, oh, tingnan nyo naman yung view. May nakaway pa, oh. Mga tourist. Ma'am, where you came from? What country?
Europe.
Europe?
Yeah, we're from Europe.
How about you? Where you came from?
From Paris.
From Paris. All right. Look at the view, guys. Got a lot of foreigners here from Paris and Europe. Stop over. Dito tayo sa top. Going up and up. A lot of people are taking pictures because of that beautiful view. Look at the sky, it's so blue. So we're going further up ahead to find the best crunchy, juicy apples. You can see, we're almost at the top of the mountain. Ito yung ating dalawang senior. Itong isang senior at ayun pa isang senior. Ito ang pinakamatanda, hindi na makatayo. Hindi na po makatayo ang ating senior citizen. Pero look at the view. There you go. Let's go. Napakainit kasi, guys. Maski almost fall season na. It's bright and sunny today. Ayan, ready to go na sila. Ayun, umaura lang pala. Let's go. So guys, take a look at this. Nasasayang lang ang apple, guys. So, once na it has fallen to the ground, hindi na, guys, pinipulot yan. Nagkakaroon na ng bacteria. At, so, ayan, guys. As you can see, tons of apples are on the ground. Useless na yan, guys. Sayang kung mapapadala yan sa mga country na less food. Malaking help yan, no? May inabutan pa kaming apple. Ayun, ang dami. Ayun, ang lalaki, guys, oh.
Wag yung ano, like...
Ayan, oh, wow. So dito tayo, yun pa sa bandaron guys. There you go. Ito na, dito na kami mag-start manguha. Titikman muna natin guys kung matamis. Eto oh. Guys. Tikman natin kung matamis. Let me taste one right here. Oh, ito ang laki guys. Ito oh. Oh. Hi. Take a look at this. Ang laki Fuji. Guys oh. Ang laki. Halika rito. May bibigay ako sa'yo. Tikman mo. Ito oh. Pulang-pula. Oh. Tikman to. Tikman niya. Pulang-pula. Ito pa oh. Ayun oh. Lalaki oh. Hindi. Bandak naman. Grabe ka naman. Ito oh. Oh. Tikman. May isa pa.
Ako na yung bagmot para makaabot.
Ayun no. Ang ganda. Meron pa guys. Ayun no.
Yung mga pandak siya.
Hindi maabot guys. Bigay muna natin itong bag ko. Ayun.
Huwag ka muna kikirang kukunan ka namin.
Uy! Naku, nalaglag. Di ko kaya. Hindi na. Bumagsak na. Eto. Oh.
Teka lang. Hindi ko pa na-ready.
Guys, dito lang. Ang dami. Gaganda. Red na red. Pero kakain muna tayo ng isa. Tikman natin kung matamis nga. Ito, kung ito yung pinagmamalaki nilang sinabi ng mga kanilo-nilunuan natin.
Ayun, laki oh.
Na pagkagat mo, majajabetis ka kaagad.
Akit ako.
Ah.
Ayun oh. Doon kasi mo itong ano branch. Laki oh.
Ayun guys, titikman ko muna. Let's.
Yung dong dalawa. Bali.
Ang tamis nga. Ang sobra tamis. Grabe.
Mabali-bali siya. Hindi tayo makikita. Teka, kukunan kita ng video.
Ito, rich ko to.
Ayan lang ang apple guys. Look at the apples. Ayan lang sa baba oh. So hindi nyo makita. Ayan, zoom in natin guys. Ayan lang oh. Ayan guys. Ayan ang lupa. Oh, that's the ground. Look at the apples. Guys oh. Guys, ayan. Sawa sa pangunguha guys. Oh. Puno na halos ang bag namin sa dami. Oh. So guys, ito lang sa tabi ko. Oh. Look at this. Just by my side. Oh, guys, ayan oh. Ayan, daming apple. So we always go here for the experience and for the good view. So ayan pa, guys. Look at those apples. Yun oh, lalaki oh. Guys, pitas lang ng pitas oh. So big. Guys, let me show you. So guys, look at that, so big.
Malaki po yan.
Ayun. Yes.
Okay.
So tuloy ng jacket. Tingnan nyo naman oh. Abot kamay. Ilan to?
Abot kamay.
4 na piraso guys oh. Oh, guys, ayun lang. Silipin nyo lang sa mga loob-loob guys. Oh, ayan oh. Oh, fresh na fresh. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
See? Lalo na to oh, parang ano.
This is not Fuji, this is the Red Delicious apple, I think.
Ito yung para siyang bell.
Maliliit lang siya. They're kind of small.
Red apple na ano.
Red Delicious yan. Guys, look at that. Nangabagsak lang.
Sarap mamitas. Dito lang to sa ano.
Look at that house over there. I will zoom in with a big backyard. Let us take a look. See guys, look at that house. There, can you see it? Without neighbors, look at the backyard. Such a big backyard. There you go, that's one house. Zoom in, there you go. Oh, there's two houses in there. There you go. Nice backyard. Yes. Let's zoom up. There you go. So guys, we're gonna go home. We're done apple picking.
Ang ganda ng ulap ko.
Yung camera ko hindi kita yung daan. Ang ganda nung yung walkway nila.
Nagja-jump.